Welcome to our plant. Today I'll walk you through exactly how sugarcane is processed into sugar step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Pressure and timing are carefully controlled to extract the maximum amount of juice from each stalk.
All parameters are stable. Look at the flow rate.
Verified. Everything looks good on this end.
At this stage, the juice slowly transforms into pure sugar crystals. Every batch is checked to ensure purity, texture, and consistency.
And that's how sugarcane is transformed into sugar, naturally and efficiently.